Okay, y'all, so we are back again with another Amazon wig. Okay, as you guys can see, like I had taken off my other wig, so I'm going to show you guys this one. I put all the specs that of this wig, I put it on the screen. I'm going to show you guys the wig that was sent to me. Okay, so it is, I want to say, a 4x4 closure wig. So this is what the closure is looking like. It's so nice. This is the inside of the wig. So this is the construction of the wig. It does have a little bit of glue on it because I wore it and I wanted to reinstall it. It does come with an elastic band, but I took the band off because it just, to me, it didn't feel like secure enough. And I believe, like I said, this was 16 inches, but like I cut it so it could just look a little bit more uniformed. So it's probably like 14 inches now. So one of the things I don't like about this wig is like it's pretty thin. Like, see, it's like, it's pretty thin, but because it's black, like you can't really see it. But it washes pretty well. And it sheds just a little bit, but like I said, that's fine. The lace melts pretty decently. So we're just going to install that. This is the elastic band that comes with it. Like with any kind of wig, they gave me the this cap right here, but I'm too lazy to kind of like put makeup on it and things like that. Like I really have to go, so I'm just going to see how easy it is to truly put on a glueless wig. Okay, so we're just gonna plop that on. Okay, let me zoom y'all in just a little bit. And it had the comb in the back, but when I was like fixing it, it came off. So that's a whole nother situation on its own. So this is just really what it's looking like. Okay, I guess, but we need to fix this. So before I do anything else, like I said, I'm gonna chop off the back pieces so it's a little bit more uniform. Okay. So that's, I'm gonna show you guys the back. I hope that looks good. I don't know what that looks like, so hopefully it looks good. Okay, so for my install, I'm just gonna use the Kiss Lace Bond adhesive spray because, you know, we are boycotting the other one. Y'all, don't be like me. Yes, I know I'm using a pencil to spread this out. Like I said, I'm in a rush, okay? Okay, I'm gonna get my blow dryer to kind of make this a little bit more smoother. gosh, that thing is hot, boy. It is hot. Okay, so now that's done. I'm gonna take just some pieces here in the front, which I should have done beforehand, but it's okay. Like, you see how it's just so like just square? Y'all can see like just how square it is. So I'm gonna do a little bit of plucking. I like to do as well, like I like to kind of part it like behind the hairline and do it like this as well. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Gonna spray it with some water. To kind of get the curls back. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of leave-in. This is what I have. This is the curls leave-in that I got. I know we're supposed to be used. I know it's best to use mousse, but sometimes mousse can be so crunchy and so heavy. I like something that's really like lightweight. That way you are able to take out all the little shit hairs too. I'm gonna layer it with the Style Fixer from Curlsmith. Make sure you get them ends, okay? Okay, you scrunch up a little bit. Like, look at those curls. And then the last, okay, obviously the next steps is to literally fix your lace. So I just got my cream foundation just to put it on there. Okay, kind of do it like this. And honestly, y'all, that's it. Like, if you wanted to set it, like obviously to set it in place, make sure that it don't go nowhere, feel free to do that, but I ain't got time for that. It's too hot. Okay, got this Amazon wig find. Y'all let me know. On my next video. Bye.